wewe waitwa nuru, nuru ya watu wote, ukiingia kwangu ninang'ara. Wewe waitwa nuru, nuru ya watu wote, ukiingia kwangu ninang'ara. Hey, what's up? My name is Ruben. Today I'm gonna walk you through how to play Umenifanya Ning'are, Christina Shusho. Well, it's a 4-chord song, and it's a beginner song. So as always, guys, if you have a song that you want me to do a tutorial on, just let me know in the comment area. And if you learn from this tutorial, make sure you leave a thumbs up, because it really helps these videos to rank up on YouTube. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss out on any future tutorials. So guys, with that aside, let's kick off right after this. So this song is in the key of G, and I will have two sections in this tutorial. So the first section I will walk you through on the progression for the intro, and then after that we'll walk through the progression for the main song. So the intro starts with a G chord and then a C, which plays twice. And then now the main chorus comes in. So the G chord, I am using my small finger on the first string, 3rd fret. My ring finger is on the 6th string, 3rd fret, and my middle finger, I'm gonna play this 5th string on fret 2. So that's G chord. And then the C chord, this is just the normal C chord, where my pointer finger will be on the 1st fret, string number 2, my middle finger on string number 4, fret 2, and my ring finger, string number 5, 3rd fret. So that's C chord. The chord that follows, those are the 2 chords in the intro, so you just play times these chords times 2. And then on the verse, the main now chord progression, which will be on the verse and the chorus, verse, chorus, verse, chorus, is G, C, E minor, C, D. So the 6th chord is the new chord here, which is the 6th chord and the 5th chord, which is E minor and D. So the E minor, you use your middle finger on the 5th fret, string number, the 5th string, 2nd fret, and your ring finger would be on the 2nd fret, string number 4. So that's E minor. So you can either play E minor here, or you can opt to play it as a bar chord. So E minor and then the D chord here. So D chord, my middle finger playing string number 1 on the 2nd fret, my pointer finger string number 3 on the 2nd fret, and my ring finger string number 2 on the 3rd fret. So that's D chord. So those are the chords that are in the main chord progression. So it's G, C, E minor, C, D. Wewe waitwa nuru, nuru ya watu wote, ukiingia kwangu ninang'ara. Umenifanya ning'are, umenifanya ning'are, umenifanya ning'are. Yes. Wewe waitwa, it's only as simple as that. So maybe on the strumming pattern, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, So well, that's it for this tutorial. Well, as always, if you have a song that you want me to do a tutorial on, just feel free to let me know in the comment area. And if you learn from this tutorial, leave a thumbs up. It will really help with the ranking of these tutorials, and I would really appreciate if you did so. So well, with that, let's see each other on the next one. Ciao.